How to schedule Instagram posts in mobile. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now this can be done on both iPhone and Android, so do not worry about that. And yeah, let's get started like I said. So what you want to do is simply just create a post. So just click on the plus icon and here you can create a post. So I have here like a picture from my mouse I just took for the sake of this tutorial. And let's say I want to schedule this post, then just select it and then click on next. Here, click on next again. Here you can add a caption and everything. And you can also scroll all the way down. And once you've done that, you should see advanced settings. So you want to click on there. And once you've clicked on there, you should see at the top, schedule this post. Now that is exactly what we want, of course. So enable that. And here you can see a date and everything. So let's say I want to schedule it at Saturday at 5 p.m. Then I've just set the timer to that and then set it. So now I have completely like set up the scheduling for this post. And once you have done that, you can just go back to this and simply at the top right, you can see schedule. And that's how you actually know that you're scheduling it, or else it would just say post. So I'm going to click on schedule. And now at the bottom, you should see scheduling. And once that is done, then you can either click on view right here in order to view it. Or if you want to watch it anytime you want or preview it, because, you know, it doesn't show up here because you have not posted it yet. Then you want to click on the top right and go to scheduled content. And then here, you can see all the scheduled content you have. So here you can preview it, how it would look like once it is posted as well. But you have also some extra options. So if you click on the top right on these 3 dots from the post, you can actually delete it, edit the post, like edit the caption and whatever. You can also reschedule it. So you can, for example, schedule it to Friday instead of Saturday or whatever. Or if you want to post it now, you can actually click on share now and then it will be shared now. So that is all there is to it. I hope this pretty quick video helped you out. This is how you can schedule your Instagram posts on mobile. And yeah, if this helped you out, let me know in the comments and I will see you next time. Have a good day.